Oh,
there we go.
And now, here
Johnny.
is the host of the Faber Report, David Faber.
That's it. You don't need any
It's
of
never
us.
going away.
You don't need any
That's
of us.
never going away, Jim.
You don't need any of us.
Johnny
Because
Gilbert's
you are-
introducing the Faber Report forever. You can just leave, and I'll talk. Let him do his thing.
Go ahead.
They still haven't figured out who's hosting that show. Just letting you know.
Yeah, well, I just showed you empty chairs to him. Zoom
went down a lot after they reported those earnings that were not well met by the marketplace.
No.
And they had agreed to buy Five9. Remember, it's 0.553 and shares. Full stock deal was worth roughly, let's call it 200. It's not worth anywhere near that, although it is trading well above what it is near if you were to do the ratio. Right. This is a focus. It's a focus certainly for those who call themselves takeover stock traders or event guys or risk arbs, however you want to call them, because many of them are expecting that Zoom is going to have to raise the offer in some way, either add cash or add stock. I mean, if you were to top it up to 200 again, you'd increase pro forma the ownership of Five9 shareholders from about 11.2 to I think around 14%. So that's one possibility. They do have cash that they could use. This morning, as I tweeted, ISS, the influential, whether you want it to be or not, it is, influential proxy advisory firm says vote against. So you got this vote coming up. It's very unlikely that Zoom is going to win the vote.
Does Rowan say anything? Rowan
or the
CEO?
Say again?
Is the CEO saying anything at Five9?
I haven't heard anything from him. No.
Because I thought he was totally on board and he would not rock this boat.
But they're including Zoom in their Five9 in their projections.
Yes,
Zoom is. But
and it's vital.
Jim, it's not clear that they ran an auction. It's trading well below the price at which it was trading prior to agreeing to the deal. If you're a shareholder of Five9, you can't vote in favor. Now, listen, the stock is not down nearly as much because of the widespread expectation that they will top this up to bring back value to roughly the level it was prior to Zoom's significant decline. But we'll see. Maybe they won't. Maybe they'll choose not to.
Are you telling me that they didn't try to get that Rowan didn't try to get best price? That's ridiculous. You throw bad money repeatedly. This guy is
the background from the transaction. The background from the transaction is hard to conclude. I don't have additional reporting on it, so I will back off on that and say I don't know.
Well, they didn't think Zoom would be down 17% on that quarter.
No, they did. They did. So it's a focus, Carl, for us as we get closer to that date and/or what Zoom's going to do. One of the larger deals of the year, by the way.